What is the best way to plan for the success of your law firm? It begins with the strategy that's been used by Google to revolutionize their business. It's called OKRs, and that's Objectives and Key Results. And let's break that down into two very simple things. The objectives would be a stretch goal, something that is difficult to achieve that you want to achieve in the next 90 days of your law firm. That is the objective. So for example, an objective might be for your law firm to perfect the intake process of new leads at your firm over the next 90 days. The second part of this is called key results. Key results mean the specific measurable things that you're going to do to accomplish the objective. So you write down, maybe it's 5 or 8 things for the key results. Hire an intake specialist. Use a lead intake software called LeadDocket. Start using CallRail to monitor at least one intake call a day. Write down the list of the things that need to be done to achieve the objective over the course of the next 90 days. And then there's a third factor, and that's accountability. Because if you have an objective and you have key results, you need to have accountability, meaning an accountability partner who's going to hold you accountable once a week. And so let's say, for example, you pick another lawyer, not in your firm, who's going to call you every Thursday night at 9 o'clock. And that person is going to ask you what you've done over the previous week to help achieve your key results and your objective. What have you done? And then you document that. And ideally, you document the effort that you're making that week on a scale of 1 to 10, being 10 being that you gave an all-out effort, you achieved a lot, 1 being no effort at all. You document it. You share these results with a group, publicly even. You show them what you've done. Because when you have an objective, key results, and accountability, that is a formula for success. And that is what Google used to transform its business, which was organizing the information for the world in an amazing way. Let's give an example of something that our firm did, which was we had decided in October of 2013 that we wanted to have 500 referral partners within the next 4 years. So we set up annual objectives for that. Now I know this wasn't over the course of 90 days, but we set it out longer. And our goal was to make improvements every single year, increasing the number of our referral partners. And at the end of currently we have 385 referral partners. So we've tripled the number of referral partners. And that's sort of having an extremely ambitious goal, setting milestones to do it. So it's very similar to OKRs, but OKRs are broken down into a 90-day period where you're trying to achieve things. So write this down, the key results, list the objective, and then have an accountability partner who's going to keep you accountable on a weekly basis. That is the key to making a profound change in your law firm over a period of 90 days. If you like this video, please share it with any friends. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.